Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps, Trinity 3rd birthday party release. Today I'm going to be giving you an up-close look at the Cake and Candles stencil set. This stencil set is 6 by 9 inches. It creates a whimsical stacked cake that can stretch as high up as a slimline card or subtract as many layers as needed to fit whatever card size you wish to create. Opposite the cake, there is a set of candles that make a great background or focal point for any card. This stencil is scored for optional cutting to create 2 stencils. Today I'm going to be creating a card using the candles part of the stencil. So I've masked down everything, including the stencil, onto some Bristol Smooth cardstock. And I am using some mustard seed distress oxide ink to make the little candle flames. When I am done ink blending those on, I will move on to the candles. For the candles, I am going to do a rainbow theme. I'm going to start with pink and then move all the way to purple. So I am ink blending in about 3 candles for each color, and green will be centered in the middle. So for that, I colored 4 just to make it even. So I've gone ahead and finished ink blending in all those candles, and I'm going to take off all of my mint tape that I used to hold everything down. It's really lightweight tape, so it shouldn't tear at your paper. So I love the big reveal of taking the stencil off. It's the coolest look ever. So I will let you guys enjoy that here. Once I take that off, I'm going to make sure that I use my heat tool and get it nice and dry. Since I used a distress oxide and that's a hybrid ink, it likes to stay juicy, wet for longer than a dye ink would. So I'm making sure that I get it nice and dry so I don't smudge all the fun work I just did. Next, I used our Slimline stitched die to die cut out the ink blended stencil design that I did. And then I'm going to mat that on top of the new Slimline series Rainbow Brights cardstock. I absolutely love this cardstock. There's so many fun colors in it. There are solid colors and then there are rainbow colors, but they all coordinate together. And the rainbow colors have 2 different options on each side. So you can see there's that option, and before you could see the other one as well. So once I'm done with that, I wanted to put a nice big sentiment on it. And for that sentiment, I used the Happy Birthday stamp that is part of the Pretty Party Decor stamp set. I love how bold this is on top of the candles. So here's some more examples of what our design team has done with this stencil set. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to check out all of our close-ups for this release. Happy shopping and have a great day.